Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. It is time for Wind Up Wednesday. You feeling good after your win last time?
I felt great. I was a bit disappointed with I couldn't get one of the songs, but hey ho. And that smelled, honestly, we made the mistake of filming that. I stank. I couldn't wait until I got home to have a shower. It was awful.
Yeah. I think I showered, I'm not even joking, 3 times to get rid of the smell from my hair and in my nostrils. Like, it was bad. Did you end up with a black eye?
Yeah, it was terrible. It was awful. It was really, really
So
bad. It's only
bad.
just getting better.
So
I put
bad.
makeup on just so you can cover it up.
An improvement. What are we doing today?
We are playing Bubblemania.
I feel like it's like WrestleMania, WWE. Bubblemania!
Yeah, the name's probably not going to do it justice, to be honest with you.
No.
It's like blowing a little bubble.
You have to do a slam dunk.
Slam dunk through a bubble.
The forfeit for this one, whoever loses is going to have to write a poem about the other person. It can be funny, but it has to be nice.
And that's the thing, that sounds like quite a nice challenge, but to write a nice poem about each other probably is going to be worse than the chili.
Yeah, like lots of people comment on how much us two bicker and get on each other's nerves, like brother and sister.
This is the worst forfeit. I hope I don't lose this.
After he said that, if I don't win, I was like, oh, that's
No, I hope I don't lose.
nice.
Bubblemania! Woo!
Wow! That was
20 seconds!
oh.
10 seconds. Oh, come on! Yes!
Yeah, 17 seconds.
Ooh.
Oh no! Yeah! I mean, I'm feeling pretty happy. Like, I'm looking forward to hearing this poem you're going to write about me, Chris. So, beat you, like, I halved your time in the first one. That was pretty impressive. You got to admit. Maybe you can put that in your poem, how impressive I am.
Bubblemania. What a stupid game. Enjoy the poem.
Oh yeah, here's the poem.
It's called My Friend. You ready?
I love that you typed on it. Okay.
Called My Friend. I can talk with a friend and walk with a friend and share my umbrella in the rain. I can play with a friend and stay with a friend and learn with a friend and explain. I can eat with a friend and compete with a friend and sometimes we disagree. I can ride with a friend and take pride with a friend. A friend can mean so much to me. I can call Saffron my friend, a very good friend, and a friend that I love to beat. Like, in game, not physically. That's
Yeah.
very good. That was
Just a clarification.
good, wasn't it?
Definitely wasn't your words.
Yeah, what are you chatting about? It's my words. It's got your name in it.
Yeah. You've changed
It's got your
one,
name in it.
one thing.
I wrote.
It didn't rhyme.
The poems don't have to rhyme.
I mean, that's a bit disappointing.
That was quality. My friend. You're my friend.
That you love to be.
Beat in games.
Well, I think I've been on a winning streak recently, so you're doing this because you lost. I would just like to remind you of that.
Brilliant poem.
Yeah.
I wrote a poem about you. My friend.
Yeah.
Saffron, my friend.